Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to add a contact form to your WordPress blog because I get this question a lot from students. My name's Theo McArthur. I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging for over 5 years. Okay, so I'm in the WordPress admin dashboard, and to add a contact form to the blog, go to plugins, add new, and do a search for WP Forms. Here it is, and this particular plugin has a free version and a premium paid version, but the free version is all that you need in most cases. So I already have this plugin installed on this blog, therefore I don't have the Install Now button, but you will have. So click on Install Now. You'll have a button that looks like this. Install Now, and then a button will come up to say Activate. Click on that button to activate it. Once you've done that, you will have a tab here in the menu over on the right, WP Forms. Go to Add New, and you have a choice of different types of forms. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to select Simple Contact Form, Use Template. By default, we have first and last name, email, and comment or message. If we use the form as it is, this is how it will show up on the blog. But we can edit it and we can add more fields to it. We can even remove fields such as a last name so that we're only asking people for their first name when they want to fill in a contact form and contact us or contact you as the owner of the blog. So for format for the name, instead of first and last, choose simple, and for the label, we can change it from name to first name. Email we don't change, but if you wanted to add more fields and even add drop down multiple choices, I'll show you how to do that. Add fields. I'm going to add a drop down. I'm going to put it here. And the label here is the explanation of what this particular field is. So for example, if when your blog visitors want to contact you, you want to give them a choice of subjects. So what is the reason they're contacting you? And you can let them choose that from the drop down box. For example, select a reason for your message. I have a question or I have a suggestion. I'm going to delete the third choice, but in fact, if you want to, you can add more. You can add as many as you like, I think. So we'll just delete these for now. We've only got 2 choices there now. We've got I have a question or I have a suggestion. Now, while we're looking at this in this draft mode, I can't click to look at the other option, but we'll see that when it goes live on the blog. We can make this required or not required. As you can see, first name's required, email's required. If this is to be required, you can toggle this to on. And now you can see this is a required field. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. There's a few ways that we can add this to the blog. We could create a page just especially for the form, or we can add the form anywhere at all on an existing page or existing post, anywhere that you want to add it. Click the button here to preview, and here's what it looks like. There's the options, I have a question or I have a suggestion. And now let's go ahead and put this on the blog. Clicking on Embed, Embed in a page. So we can either select an existing page that's already on this blog or create a new page. I'm going to go ahead and create a new page. Get in touch. And I will go ahead and publish the page. Let's view the page. And there we are. So that is how you add a contact form to your blog. If you're wondering where these messages go, when somebody fills a message in, clicks submit, they're going to go to the email address that you use as your admin email. Let's just go back. I'll quickly show you that. Under users, you are the administrator, your email address here. So this is the email address those messages will go to.